As an accountant, wealth has a plan, wealth has systems, and wealth has tools, right? And I believe that a custodial account is a tool. I believe that an accounting system is a tool. I believe that a financial coach is a tool. I believe that an accountant is a tool. I believe that everybody should have a goal to pocket more profit so that they can invest it not only in their future, but in their kids' future, so that you won't be one of those people that have not a will, have not anything to leave for your kids, and just have not true wealth because you're making decisions based on having to pay your mortgage.